Alright, so I messed this lady's shoes up. So she sent me a pair of Jordan 13s to replace them. So of course, I gotta go crazy. The customer gave me free reign on these, so I can do whatever I want. So I think I'm gonna do a pair of Bleach shoes because, you know, the movie's about to drop. It's about to end the show. So I gotta go over here, do a little bit of research on what pieces I wanna put on here and how I wanna fit it to this shoe itself. I mean, the orange is so perfect. I gotta use the orange for something.
And of course, I want to take a minute to thank the sponsor of this video, Sports Battle, a fantasy app that covers esports. More on them at the end of the video.
Alright, so we got the shoes to here so far. I think it needs something a little bit extra. It needs something else to set this off here. So I'm thinking a portrait. I got a quick question for you. See, I outlined this here in blue, but I didn't outline this one on this side. Y'all tell me. I think it kind of makes it look better to offset. But y'all tell me, would you outline on both if it was your pair? Alright, so the portrait is done, but I think I got one last thing to add to these shoes that's really gonna tie everything together. So give me a sec.
So baby, now you feel like number one, shining bright for everyone, living out your fantasy, all the brightest stuff that's ever been. If you wanna see some action, gotta be the center of attraction. Make sure that they got their eyes on you.
All right, we're pretty much done here, or we really are done here. I got my Sierato tags on there. What y'all think? They knew. Y'all like the tags? I think they're kind of saucy. Y'all let me know. Put those in. I got my lit laces in from my guys over at Lit Laces, so make sure you guys check them out. Shout out to you guys. Appreciate you sending these. I think they're gonna really get that sword look across. That's what I was kind of going for with these. And they're super clean. They're super hard, man. Let's go check them out in the sunlight and make sure that they're as crispy as I think they are. All right, so that's it for these. They're all wrapped up, ready to go. So time to get them all sent off to the customer and move on to the next pair.
Ooh, you guys stuck around to the end. All right, I appreciate that. So let me tell you a little bit about the sponsor for today's sports battle. This is, of course, a fantasy sports app with up to 20 times in cash winning. Sports Battle has the easiest way to play over and under. All you do is pick a game and a player, then you predict if your player will score over or under their average in any stat like, you know, goals, rushing yards, or even headshots. Play National League sports, including NBA, NFL, MLB, F1, NASCAR, soccer, golf, tennis, and MMA. And esports like Dota 2 and CSGO. Support the channel, support the sponsor, support. Y'all know how it goes. I appreciate you guys, and I'll check you guys out in the next video.